Check out this awesome section from the Allbirds website. You can add it to your store in just a few copy and paste clicks. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I like it because it's sleek, minimal, doesn't take up much space, but just looks really good. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to get started, we are going to have to create some files. But first, I want to point out that I'm using my local development environment. If you are not, that's perfectly fine. Just come on into your admin and then just click the three-dot menu and then edit code for whatever theme it is that you would like to edit. Now it should look the same once you get into that window. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into this sections directory. We're going to create a new file, and I'm going to call it socialgallery.liquid. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste all the contents from the social gallery file, and I'm going to paste it in. The link to this is in the description. So I'm going to paste all this in, and you're going to see up here we are importing a few files, some CSS styles, and then some section specific styles right here. And then we have all of our HTML in Liquid. You'll see that we have like a video tag, image tags. We're going to be able to display all this media. And then other than that, we're kind of just displaying content that we define here in the schema. So the schema is going to have all of our settings and the things that we want to display, like the title and the link and stuff like that. So that's what all of these are here in the settings. And then you'll also see in the blocks. And the block is going to be each individual media. So like the image or the video is one specific block, okay? So that's really all you need to know about this file. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. And then I'm gonna go to my assets directory. I'm gonna create a file here. I'm gonna name this file section-social gallery.css. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to copy and paste all of this code right here. That, again, the link's in the description. We don't need to really talk about it, but just know that it's going to make sure it looks okay. And then there's one more thing we need to do. Now, you might already have this file depending on what theme you're using. So you're going to look for a file, and it's going to be called component slider. So you'll see if I come here to my assets and I come down here, you'll see eventually in alphabetical order, I will have component slider. So I have all of this CSS right here, okay? So if I have this, great, I'm done. If you don't have this file, no worries. Just create a file like we just did, name it this exact name, and then copy and paste this code into that file, and then you should be good to go. So now that I have saved all these files, I should be able to go into my theme admin, and I should be able to customize this. So I'm gonna come back to my theme editor. I'm going to try to add this new section, and I should see it down here at the bottom, social gallery. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And then you can customize the text if you'd like. You can customize like some things like the size and even the background color, padding, etc. I'm going to leave all of this be. I think it looks fine. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my custom videos and images. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added my media. So I'm going to save this, and now I'm going to preview this theme. So I'm going to refresh, and if I scroll down, I should see this on my theme. Okay, so this looks pretty good. You can see my videos are playing automatically. I like the font and the colors for the labels and whatnot, and I only added a link to this first one, but you'll see the cursor shows that I can click on it, and if I do, it navigates to that product page, which is what we want. So let's check it out on mobile. I'm going to go ahead and refresh on mobile, and if I scroll down, here we have it, and you'll see that it is behaving just as we would like. I can scroll this way, have all of the videos and images displaying very cleanly, and that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or any problems, let me know in the comments, and I hope I will see you again later. Thanks.